sisters and brothers? It's your girl Key, and I'm here to give y'all all the keys about a credit card, okay? All right, you ready? Stay tuned. So the first thing I need you to ask yourself is, am I responsible enough to pay this on time? And to just not think about it. You know yourself more than anybody else. You know your limits. You know how you feel. So I need you to sit down and think. All right, now that you thought about it, if you feel like you're responsible enough, follow these tips. And if you think you're not ready yet, get the knowledge first. Continue to watch this video because I'm giving you all the keys that you need to know, because credit is king and it can really hurt you if you do not have a good credit score. So first thing I did was ask myself that same exact question at 18 years old, because credit was taught down on. Like, what I mean by that, people told me to stay away from credit. I was like, what is wrong with credit? But yet you need to have it. Unless you like done hit the lottery or something, then go ahead, you good. You got the money. But for us common people, credit matters, okay? The first thing I did, I applied, and I applied to a bunch, okay? A bunch of credit card company. That is a no-no. You should never do that. So please do not do that. Please only apply to a couple. And if they reject you, okay, don't apply to anymore, because you're going to hurt yourself, your credit score. The #1 credit card company that I suggest to anyone, okay, anyone 18 and up, is Discover. For me, I was 18, I did the student Discover, and I had a really low interest rate. And that's what you want. To me, I wouldn't get an interest rate over 18%. Starting off, I wouldn't do it. This is too high. So, what I wanted was, I'm looking at my notes, okay? I know I wanted one with no annual fee and something that was gonna give me, you know, a little cash back if I use your stuff. And that's what Discover does. Like, they give you, it's not gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna give you $25 cash back. It's like a couple cents here or a dollar there. But hey, they gave it to me. It's better than getting nothing from a company that you applied to, that you're now supporting. What else? Pick a credit card that you need. Like, okay, you know you like to eat out a lot? Get a credit card with Discover that will help you. And this is just me showing you on the Discover site how many different types of credit cards that they offer you in different categories. Like, they have travel, they have cashback for students, they have one for business. And all I had to do was go on their website, and that's all y'all have to do too. Just pick which one best suits you. A Walmart credit card, because you're only going to have to use it at Walmart credit card. You want to get a credit card that can be used everywhere first. For you to like start off one, get one that can be used at multiple places and it's no problem. You can't use Walmart at Food Line. You can't use it. You can't use it at paying a bill. No, it's not gonna happen. No, it's only gonna be that Walmart credit card is only gonna be at Walmart. the gas station, and the supermarket, and that's it, and online. So I would not suggest getting a credit card that limits where you can use it at. Okay, say that you applied for Discover and it didn't work out. Well, talk to your parents and see if they would mind adding you as a user on a credit card, because that can up your chances of getting approved more, better than you keep applying and getting denied. I wouldn't. I would stop. I would take a pause and figure out what's wrong. Why am I getting denied? Okay, if all of that doesn't work, I would suggest going with your bank. Your bank probably has a credit card, and because you already bank with them, they know how much you make and they know your limit of how much they can offer you. So again, my personal experience, I didn't have to go to a bank, but I did go with Discovery, and my limit was $500. I was like, okay, that's good. That can help me with my college books if I need it, or some gas if I need it. I just needed a little bit to start off. They're never going to give you too much, okay? They're not dumb. They're going to give you a little bit and see if you're responsible. And then when they see that, oh, you're making payments on time, you're not just blowing it, they're going to give you an increase. And with the increase, you have to be careful, because I know it's tempting. You know that you have more so you can spend more. But that's how they be getting some of y'all, okay? It's not good to spend it out. Spend any limit to the max. It's not good. Always keep it under 30%, okay? Do the math. 30% of whatever your limit is, keep it at that. It's going to help your credit score tremendous, okay? This is facts. I have done it. And right now, I'm 21. I have learned a lot and still got a lot more learning, but nobody sat down and told me these things about credit, except for my husband. He gave me some tips, and he's older than me, so thank you, baby. But the rest, like, I found out on my own. Like, he gave me the tip about 30% and how 30% is good to always stay there. And I did it. And at that time, my credit score. But it wasn't like, ooh, I got it. I can go buy this with it. So when I did that 30% tip that he told me, honey, my credit score was in the 700s. That's all I got to say. It was in the 700s. I was like, thank you. And for you guys who don't know the range of credit, this is based off of FICO, okay? Because I know if you look it up, the numbers may be different. But for FICO, it is 559 or below. That means that is poor, that is bad, okay? You need to take these tips, boo. You need to take these tips by the hand and apply. That's the problem. Y'all don't apply tips. Y'all just listen. If you don't apply it, nothing's going to change, okay? So you can listen to this video, be like, oh, she sounds like she knows what she's talking about. I do. But if you don't apply it, you're not going to see anything. Okay, back on topic. So 580 to 669, that's fair. 670 to 739, that's good. And 740 to 799, that's very good, okay? And 800 to 850 is excellent, okay? I'm trying to get there to the 8s, okay? That's my personal goal. And I'm going to get there by the end of the year. That's my goal for me, for my credit score. So if you need a credit card, please follow these steps, okay? And comment below. Let me know how it goes, you know. If you need some more advice or anything, just comment down below, because we all family here and we all learning together. Like I said in my first intro, you can teach me something I probably don't know, and I can teach you something that you may not know, because not everybody have family and they sit down and talk about this. School did not teach me about it. I graduated high school. I'm currently in college, my 3rd year, and nobody told me about credit in school. And I think that's mind blowing, because you need to know this. Because if you have a bad credit score, but you want a car, you don't want no co-signer, baby, they're gonna look at you like, I don't think you should, especially if it's a brand new car, they're gonna just walk you out and be like, work on your credit score, you know, and then come back. And if nobody else told you today, Key loves you. And happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers. I love you, Mom. I love my extended family. Like, I have so many moms. Like, they're wonderful. Like, I'm highly blessed.